Very good morning, students. Welcome to the math class. I'm going to take the first chapter of algebra, that is expansion of binomial and trinomial. Now, what I want from you is, I want you to study this chapter so thoroughly that it would be easier for you to solve the other chapter also. Okay, in this chapter we are going to deal with the algebraic expressions and the algebraic identities. So it is very important for you to understand this chapter very nicely. Why? Because this is going to help you in the future as well. Okay, secondly, I would like to start this with a topic that is monomial, binomial and trinomial. Okay, so whenever we write the algebraic expression, it contains certain terms, and on the basis of those terms we name them as monomial, binomial, trinomial, or maybe sometimes you have listened about the polynomials. Okay, so first of all, let us state what do we mean by monomial. Okay, what is the meaning of monomial? That if an algebraic expression which contains one term, then that is called a monomial. That is, for example, if I'm writing x, then it is a monomial. If I'm writing x cube, this is a monomial. And if I write y, this is a monomial. Also, if I write x square y, this is also a monomial which contains two variables. Okay, now you know what do you mean by variable and constants. Secondly, what do we mean by binomial? That if an algebraic expression which contains two terms, then that is called a binomial expression. Say for example, a plus b. This is a binomial expression. X square plus y square. This is a binomial expression. Now similarly, by the name itself, we can understand trinomial says an algebraic expression contains three terms, that is x plus y plus z, x square plus y square plus z square. Okay, then this is called the trinomial expression. So this is the trinomial. Now by the name of the chapter, as the chapter suggests expansion of binomials and trinomials, then there is some expansions, because binomial and trinomial we understood the concept, but expansion says that we have to expand it. Okay, now in the previous class you have studied about the identities of a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square. Whenever you expand, say for example, if I say a plus b the whole square says a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is what the expansion says. You are expanding this bracket, you are expanding this expression in this way. All right, this is called the expansion. Now I'm going to show you certain identities that you have to write in your copy. Okay, and you have to learn that. See, just putting all the formulas on a copy and learning that by heart on a day, that won't work. You have to regularly use the identities in your question. Okay, whenever you use any identity, try to write that identity like using this identity or that identity each and every time you use it. That will help you more and most to learn and by heart that particular identity. Okay, the identities, these are the important identities which we are going to deal with in the chapter. Okay, so what is the very first identity, which says a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square. See, I have written here plus minus, which means you can go for a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, which says if it is a plus b the whole square, it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. And if it is a minus b, then it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then comes the second identity. This is a square minus b square, which says a plus b into a minus b. This you have to remember. Okay, students get confused in a minus b the whole square and a square minus b square identity. These two identities are totally different. Okay, please see to it. Then let us come to the next identity. Okay, we can call it as an identity, or this identity where we have to use this one, okay, where you have a in place of a and in place of b you have 1 upon a. So it will be what? A square plus b square, or according to the identity what we have, a square plus 2a. What is b in place of b? It is 1 upon a. So 1 upon a plus what is b square? It will be 1 upon a whole square. A to a it will be cancelled. So we are left with a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square. So this is the solution of the identity. Okay. What does the identity says? Answer is a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square. Like that. Then if we go for the minus 1, the only difference is you have to put minus here, so here it will be negative. Alright. Now let us come to the next identity. Alright, so this is the next identity, which says a plus b plus c whole square gives a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now some students says that it is very hard to remember this somewhat complex identity. So what according to me, what I say, that no need of just by hearting this identity. You can make the identity, you can make your formula also by how you can make that formula. So what I did is I have used an associative property. I have associated these two. That means a plus b I have taken in one unit and c the whole square. Now we know, let us consider this as a and this as b. Now can we use a plus b whole square identity where a is a plus b and b is our c? So let us use a plus b the whole square identity in it. So a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. Okay, this is only the a plus b whole square identity where I have taken this as one unit and this as another. So a square plus 2a here, b in place of b c will come c plus the b square, which is c square. Now again you use a plus b whole square identity, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now are you getting this one? That a plus c whole square gives a square plus 2ac plus c square, plus this is 2c bracket a plus c plus c square. Now a square plus 2ac plus c square. Now you multiply 2c inside. So on multiplying 2c inside, it will give us 2ac plus 2c square plus, sorry, this is this is b. Wait. The identities, these are the important identities which we are going to deal with in the chapter. Okay, so what is the very first identity, which says a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square? See, I have written here plus minus, which means you can go for a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, which says if it is a plus b the whole square, it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. And if it is a minus b, then it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then comes the second identity. This is a square minus b square, which says a plus b into a minus b. This you have to remember. Okay, students get confused in a minus b the whole square and a square minus b square identity. These two identities are totally different. Okay, please see to it. Then let us come to the next identity. Okay, we can call it as an identity, or this identity where we have to use this one. Okay, where you have a in place of a and in place of b you have 1 upon a. So it will be what? A square plus b square, or according to the identity what we have, a square plus 2a. What is b in place of b? It is 1 upon a. So 1 upon a plus what is b square? It will be 1 upon a whole square. A to a it will be cancelled. So we are left with a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square. So this is the solution of the identity. Okay, what does the identity says? Answer is a square plus 2 plus 1 upon a square, like that. Then if we go for the minus 1, the only difference is you have to put minus here, so here it will be negative. All right, now let us come to the next identity. Alright, so this is the next identity, which says a plus b plus c whole square gives a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. Now some student says that it is very hard to remember this that somewhat complex identity. So what according to me, what I say, that no need of just by hearting this identity. You can make the identity, you can make your formula also. By how you can make that formula? So what I did is I have used an associative property. I have associated these two. That means a plus b I have taken in one unit and c the whole square. Now we know, let us consider this as a and this as b. Now can we use a plus b whole square identity where a is a plus b and b is our c? So let us use a plus b the whole square identity, which is a plus b whole square plus 2, this is a b plus b square. See, this is our a square plus 2a b plus b square, which is c square. Now again what you can do is a plus b the whole square identity says a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here this is 2c bracket a plus b plus c square. Now a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now multiply the 2c inside the bracket. 2c into a will give you 2ac. 2c into b will give you 2bc plus c square. Now you need to arrange it. Now after arranging this a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. This is the proof of your identity. So always keep in mind this. Similarly, if we have the condition of minus, because we can have the 4 condition. One condition could be the full a plus b plus c identity. One condition can be a minus b minus c identity. One condition can be a plus b minus c, and one condition can be a minus b plus c. That means all the squares. Now you have 4 identities. Now it's your duty or it's your homework. You can take as that you have to find the identities of this. How you will find the identities? For this one I explained you. For this one how you will do, take this as 1 unit. So here a minus b identity you are going to use. Here also take this as 1 unit, a minus b the whole square identity. Here this as 1 unit, a plus b the whole square identity. So this identities you have to prove and show it to me. Okay, now let us come to the next identity, which says x plus a and x plus b. The identity says that this is equal to x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. This is the identity. Alright, now how it became identity? You can prove this is equal to this. How? By opening the brackets. That is what I am trying to tell you, that x plus a, x plus b. This x will be multiplied by this x, so it will give you x square. Then this x will be multiplied by this b, you will get xb. This a will be multiplied by this x, it will give you ax. And this a will be multiplied by b, it will give you ab. Now from this you can take x common. On taking x common, inside you got b plus a plus ab, or on arranging here you will get like this. So this is only the matter. So x plus a, x plus b is equal to x square plus ab times x plus ab. Now Here also you can have 4 conditions. How 4 conditions? This is the first condition, x plus a, x plus b. Now you can have x minus a, x minus b condition. You can have x plus a, x minus b condition, and x minus a, x plus b condition. This I have explained you how by this procedure. Now you have to write, or you have to formulate this identities. Okay, so that you have to do and show it to me. Alright, now after understanding all the basic things, identities of this chapter, now let us come to the exercise 1a. First question, I'm reading, expand the square of the following. This is the question first. That means 4x plus y is given and we have to expand the square of the following. Square means 4x plus y the whole square. And since we know that a plus b the whole square says a square plus 2ab plus b square, then 4x plus 4x plus y the whole square will give you a square 4x square plus 2 into a, which is 4x, into b, which is y, plus b square, that is y square. 4x square, 4 square 16x square, x square, 2 into 4 will give you 8, x into y, xy, and y as y square. Then the C question, B question will be homework for you. Okay, come to the C question. The exercise I will share you on the group. Okay, that means question I will share on the group so that it would be easy for you to do the homework. C question, that is 2x plus 1 upon x square. 2x plus 1 upon x the whole square will give you a square, which is 2x the whole square, plus 2 into a into b, 2 into a into b, plus 1 upon x the whole square. From here this x to x will get cancelled, so 2 square 4, x square, 2 into 2 will give you 4, 1 upon x the whole square will give you 1 upon x square. This is the second question C I'm doing, and the question is expand the following. And the question is 3x minus 1 upon 3x the whole square. Since we know that a minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, so 3x minus 1 upon 3x the whole square will give you a, which is 3x the whole square, minus 2 into a into b. Okay, 2 into 3x into 1 upon 3x, plus b square, 1 upon 3 the whole square. Now 3 is 9. 3 square is 9, x is x square is x square, minus here 3x to 3x we can cancel, okay, which will give 2 plus 1 upon 9x square. That's it. Now this is the third question. Expand the square of the following. There are four questions. I have done A and D, B and C that you have to do. So the question says 3 upon 2 plus 5 upon 3n. We have to find the square. So the whole square, it will be what? A plus b whole square identity we have to use, because this is the plus condition. So a is 3 by 2 the whole square, plus 2ab, 2 into 3 by 2 into 5 by 3n. Now here what happens? Okay, plus this b 5 upon 3 whole square. Here this 2 to this 2 and this 3 to this 3 will get cancelled. So 3 by 2 will be 9 by 4, plus 5 is left here, so 5, n is left here, n, plus 5 square 25, 3 square 9, n square is n the whole square will give you n square. Okay, understood? Now see the D question. D question is a square minus 1 upon a, and we have to find the square of it, the whole square of it. So that is a square minus 1 upon a the whole square. Now identity says a square, so it is already a square, so a square whole square minus 2ab. What is our a? A is a square, and in place of b 1 upon a, so a square into 1 upon a, plus b square, that means 1 upon a the whole square. So a square means, that means you have to multiply these two degrees, you have to multiply these two powers. So 2 into 2 will give you 4. If it is say for example a cube whole square, so 3 2s are 6, so it will be a to the power 6. Okay, like this you have to multiply, so a to the power 4. Here 1a is get cancelled with this a, so a minus of 2a plus 1 upon a square, like this. Alright, now let us head to the fourth question, which says simplify. We have to simplify the sum. This is the B question I'm doing, which says a minus 1 upon a whole square plus a plus 1 upon a the whole square. Here in the introduction I have stated the formula for this one, identity for this one. Okay, so it will be a square minus, this is the minus case, minus 2ab, 2 into a into 1 upon a, plus b square, then this plus sign, then again we have to use the identity here. Okay, so the identity, when we will open this, we'll get this one. So a square plus 2 into a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a the whole square. Now here this a to this a will be cancelled, this one, and here also this a to this a will be cancelled, this a square, minus 2 is left behind. Okay, plus 1 upon a the whole square, plus a square, this plus 2 and 1 upon a square. Now as I see that this minus 2 and this plus 2 can get cancelled, this a square and a square will give you 2a square plus 1 upon a square plus 1 upon a square. See, it is a like fraction, the denominator is same, we can add the numerators, so 1 plus 1 will give you 2 upon a square. Now the last thing which you can do is take 2 common, so on taking 2 common we'll get this as the final answer. Now let us start the fourth question. Fourth question, that is we were doing it C question, I'm trying to say, let us do C question. That question says 7x plus 4y whole square minus 7x minus 4y the whole square. So here the same we are going to use. First we are going to use a plus b whole square identity, then a minus b whole square identity, and this minus sign as it is. So on expanding this bracket we got this as a result: a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a square minus 2 into a into b, 7x into 4y plus 4y the whole square. I did it half just to make you understand fast. Okay, for that means our time should not waste. All right, so 7x square is 7 square is 49, x is x square plus 2 into 7 14, 14 into 4 will give you 56, x into y, xy. And this 4 square is 16, y square is y square, 16y square minus same case 7x square, this full 2 into 7 into 4 is 56xy plus 16y square. Now this minus sign will go inside the bracket, this will become minus, minus minus will become plus, and this minus plus will become minus. Now what will happen here, 49x square can easily be get cancelled with this 49x square, and this 16y square will get cancelled with this 16y square. We are left with 56xy plus 56xy. 56 plus 56 will give you 112xy. So this is the answer.